Hello, and welcome to Cosmic Murmur. The time has come to leave the day behind. Find your comfortable space now. Let your body grow heavy, your limbs soften into the surface beneath you. Take a slow, deep breath, and as you exhale, release the noise and the hurry of the world. Let it all drift away. Imagine you are standing in a familiar room in the middle of the night. The moonlight through the window reveals the shapes you know, the outline of a chair, the shadow of a table. But the vast majority of the room is simply darkness. You know the rest of the room is there, filled with air, with space, with a quiet presence, but you cannot see it. The part you see is not the whole story. The universe, it seems, is much the same. For centuries we have looked up and seen the brilliant, beautiful furniture of the cosmos. The shimmering stars, the swirling galaxies, the glowing nebulae. We thought that this was everything. But a quiet mystery has emerged from the darkness. A gentle realization that all the light, all the matter we can see, makes up only 5% of what is truly there. So tonight, we will not focus on the light. We will drift into the shadows. We will contemplate the great, invisible 95% and ask the wondrous question, what is the rest of the universe made of? There is nothing to know, nothing to understand. Simply listen and feel the presence of the unseen. Let us begin with the anchor. In the great, silent ocean of space, galaxies swim like schools of phosphorescent fish. And for a long time, we watched them, and we noticed something strange. They are moving too fast. The stars on the outer edges of galaxies are spinning with such speed they should be flung off into the void like water from a spinning wheel. The gravity of the stars we can see is not nearly enough to hold them together. And yet, they are not flung away. The galaxies remain whole. The beautiful spirals remain intact. Something else is there. Something invisible, yet massive, is holding them. An unseen gravity. A quiet, sturdy hand. This is the first part of our mystery. We call it dark matter. We cannot see it. It does not shine, or burn, or reflect any light. It is like the wind in the trees. You cannot see the wind itself, only the gentle dance of the leaves. We cannot see dark matter, but we can see the galaxies as they dance to its silent rhythm. It is the unseen anchor in the cosmic sea. Scientists believe that dark matter forms a vast, invisible scaffolding upon which the universe we know is built. The glowing filaments of the cosmic web, the clusters of galaxies, they are all built upon this hidden framework. It is the riverbed that guides the starry river. It is the silent architecture of everything. And it is not distant. It is here. We believe our own Milky Way is nestled inside a massive spherical halo of this dark matter, like a pearl held within a much larger invisible shell. This means that right now, in this very moment, you are moving through it. It is passing through you, through your body, through this bed, through the entire earth as effortlessly as light passes through glass. It does not touch you, it does not harm you, it asks for nothing. Can you feel it? A gentle, gravitational presence you have never noticed before, a quiet companion on our long, spiraling journey through the cosmos. It holds our galaxy together, it holds us together. It is the steady, quiet, invisible embrace of the universe. For a long time we thought this was the whole story. The universe was made of light matter and dark matter, bound together by gravity, and we expected that the great expansion of the universe, which began with the Big Bang, must be slowing down. Gravity, after all, pulls things together. It should be acting as a cosmic brake, But when we looked deep into space, we found another surprise, another mystery waiting in the dark. The expansion is not slowing down, it is speeding up. The galaxies are flying away from each other faster and faster as time goes on. Something is not pulling but pushing. There is a gentle, persistent, invisible force at play, an anti-gravity woven into the fabric of space itself. We call this dark energy. If dark matter is the anchor, dark energy is the tide. A silent rising tide that is steadily carrying everything away from everything else. Imagine a baker making a loaf of raisin bread. As the dough rises, every raisin moves away from every other raisin. The raisins are the galaxies. The rising dough is space itself expanding, pushed from within by this strange, ethereal energy. And what is this energy? It seems to be a property of the void itself, the energy of pure, empty space, a quiet, constant pressure that will not be denied, a gentle, cosmic breath, forever exhaling and pushing the universe out into a vast and lonely future. And what of that future? What is the ultimate fate of a universe pushed by this silent energy? In the far, far distant future, this gentle push will have moved all other galaxies away from our own. So far away their light will never reach us again. The night sky, once filled with countless island universes, will grow dark. One by one the lights will go out. Our own galaxy will be an isolated island in an endless, empty ocean of black. This is not a fiery end. It is a slow, gradual fading, a descent into a state of perfect, absolute stillness and quiet, a final, peaceful dissolution. The universe, having breathed out for trillions of years, will finally be at rest. The universe is not what it seems. We open our eyes and see the brilliant light of the stars, but we now know the true story is written in the dark. It is a story of two great invisible forces, a quiet, nurturing anchor that holds us together, and a gentle, persistent breath that is slowly pushing everything apart. We are living in the midst of this cosmic push and pull, held and guided by a presence we cannot see, carried along by a current we cannot feel. To know this is not to feel small. It is to feel connected to a mystery that is far grander and far stranger than we ever imagined. It is to know that the darkness is not empty. It is full of presence, full of energy, full of a quiet, inscrutable purpose. And perhaps our own inner worlds are much the same. There is the part of you that you know, the lit room of your waking thoughts. But beneath that, there is a vast unseen world, the world of your subconscious, of your intuition, of your soul. A quiet, powerful presence that guides you in ways you may not always understand. Let yourself drift into that inner darkness now. It is not a place to fear. It is the source of dreams. It is the quiet, foundational mystery of you. Trust in the unseen. Let it hold you. Let it carry you into a deep and peaceful sleep. Rest now. Just rest. Cosmic Murmur.